Welcome to our channel UK Cars review of the 2025 Renault 5, the highly anticipated electric hatchback that blends retro charm with modern innovation. Today, we'll dive into its exterior, performance, interior, safety features, and pricing. Let's get started. Exterior. The Renault 5's design is a nostalgic nod to its 1972 predecessor, featuring classic boxy styling with futuristic touches. Slim LED headlights, a sleek front grille, and pixel-style taillights give it a modern yet retro appeal. The compact size makes it perfect for city driving, while bold color options, including vibrant yellow, add to its playful character. Performance. Under the hood, under the floor, the Renault 5 is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. It comes with multiple battery options, offering a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. The motor delivers around 150 horsepower, making it zippy and efficient. With fast charging capability, you can get up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Plus, its lightweight build ensures nimble handling and a fun driving experience. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a modern, minimalist cabin packed with tech. A digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen with Renault's latest infotainment system keep you connected. Sustainable materials add an eco-friendly touch, while spacious seats provide comfort for city commutes or long drives. The smart storage options make the most of its compact dimensions. Safety features. Renault has packed the 2025 Renault 5 with advanced safety features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for added visibility. The sturdy build and advanced driver assist systems ensure top-notch safety for urban and highway driving. Pricing. The Renault 5 is competitively priced, with the base model starting around £25,000. Higher trims with extended range and additional features may push the price closer to £30,000. Government EV incentives could help bring the cost down further, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Outro. That's a wrap on our 2025 Renault 5 review. With its stylish design, impressive range, and modern tech, it's set to be a game-changer in the electric hatchback market. What do you think of the Renault 5? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.